Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, as you can see, I made another purchase today. Bought some more constitutional silver. Got it from my local resource, so that's good because it means I don't have to pay for shipping. It's one of the big benefits. So yeah, picked up some more. So let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, so this is how he gave it to me. Got the old prescription bottles. This is a roll of quarters. This is a roll of dimes. And if I remember correctly, these are Mercuries. And another roll of dimes, and I think these are Mercuries as well. And then I got the smattering of stuff here. Now I also got some Morgans off of them. I buy those once in a while, and he had them, for another good price. So 1901, say 1890, pretty good shape, not bad, and a 1889. So there's some fingerprints over by the face. Kind of hard to see it on the camera. This looks pretty good. Breast feathers are kind of wore off, but everything else looks good. So yeah, 1889, 1890, and 1901. Got those 3 for $50. So not a great deal, but not a bad deal either. I'm just trying to slowly add to my Morgan collection. As you guys know, I primarily collect the halves, the quarters, and the dimes. But can't really turn down, pretty good deal on a few Morgans either. So let's go ahead and check out what I have over here. And this again is some quarters, some halves, some quarters, and some dimes. So there's some miscellaneous stuff he had. So we'll get to those in a minute. But why don't we go ahead and see what's in here. So let's look at the quarters first. And there we go. 40 beautiful constitutional quarters. Very, very nice. Look at those. Those are in pretty good shape. Very nice. 64s. 64s. Ooh, there's a decent 51. Pretty nice. So it looks like a lot of them are 64s, which is fine because to me they have more silver. I'm a silver stacker, so I take as much silver as I can get. And yeah. Alright, so we have ourselves a roll of quarters and a few more over here, which we'll take a look at in a minute, because I think these are in better shape over here. Or maybe not, these are in pretty good shape themselves. So let's move these off to the side a little bit. There we go. Next, let's check out these dimes. As I said, they are Mercuries. See the fine looking lady right there. What year is that on top? A 1937, is that? Yep, 1937. Let's put all these down. Wow, look at those. Aren't those beautiful? Ooh, love the Mercuries. Love all constitutional silver. It's just great to see a pile of this stuff sitting next to each other. Isn't that great? Oh, look at all those. Very nice. Pretty good shape. They've got wear on them. And toning. I don't really call this toning. I think this is more dirt from just being in circulation myself. That's cool. Let's put these over here. The light bouncing off them pretty good, but that's okay. We'll deal with them in a minute. Let's see what's in this roll. Like I said, I believe this is another roll of Mercuries. Let's take a look. Sure is. Sure got them all out of there. I told you guys a story last time where I found one of those coin rolls in the trash and there was still a dime in there. So yeah, how's that, huh? Some more beautiful Mercuries. Oh yeah. I need to go through these and see what years these are. Very nice. So there we have $10, $20. Usually I get halves from them when I get stuff from them, but this time he only gave me a few halves. Let's take a look at those. Let's just dump out this entire packet, then we'll separate it out. You see these are in really nice shape. So we got ourselves 4 beautiful Kennedys. Is it 4? Yeah, it was 4 Kennedys, yep. Very nice. Put those right here for now. And then we also have an additional $1, $2, $2.50 in quarters. Look at the shape these things are in. These things are gorgeous. 64, 64. Probably all going to be 64s, but like I said, I really don't care what year they are. Obviously having a beautiful one like this from the 40s or 50s would be awesome. But yeah, so that's $12.50 face now in that pile. I should have kept those out. I keep a special BU roll of quarters, so I can take a look at them later. Then we have 3 more dimes, so we have a total of 53 dimes. And again, he had these loose and just asked me if I wanted them. He usually likes to sell them by the roll. I said, hey, if you ever have any scragglers, just bring them along. I'll give you something for them, which we did. So here we have a total of 50 quarters, 53 dimes, and 4 halves. So that is a total of $25 face. So yeah, that's a total of $2 face. But let me correct something. This roll of dimes actually had 52 in there. I had put a couple extra in that he gave me. Then we had the 3 extra out of the bag. So what we got here is a total of $25 face, and that's 50 quarters. Then we've got 105 dimes and 4 halves. So that works out to $25 face. Okay. So now that we got that straightened out, let's go ahead and talk about what I paid for it. I always got to let you know the great price that I'm getting, and it's not to brag or show off or anything. It's just to let you know that there's still some great deals out there if you can find them. And stay tuned for some other videos. Well, you may have seen them already based on when I published this video, but I found some more great deals on Craigslist as well. And I've got a couple videos coming out showing that there are still great deals out there if you can find them. And I was able to find a couple, so stay tuned for that. But anyway, so I bought this a couple days ago, and what I got it for was $3.86 per ounce below spot. That's right, almost $4 below spot. So if you do the math, this is 17.86 troy ounces of silver. So 17.86. So let's just take a quick look at if I would have had to pay spot for this. I take the 17.86 ounces, and I multiply by 3.86, which is how much I saved per ounce. And if I would have paid spot, it would have cost me another $68.94. I just like to do that math, because, well, so I can see too, because I usually don't do that math until I record my video. And also to see just what a fantastic deal it is and how much money we're saving by picking it up locally and finding this great resource. So anyway, what do you guys think, huh? Let me get this on the screen a little bit better. We can probably do a little bit better job of showing that awesome constitutional silver. There we go. Got ourselves some quarters, some dimes, some halves. And let's go ahead before we shut this video off and mix these up. I'm going to be taking a thumbnail pic. Yeah, just Washingtons and Mercurys. What a great combination, huh? Isn't that beautiful or what? Oh man, I just love these things. I love this constitutional silver. Stuff is awesome. A nice little pile, huh? That's really cool. And then we can put the halves back in there because I'm going to probably just lay those on top for the picture or something since there's only 4 of them. Don't want them to get too mixed in there. A very straight line, huh? Yeah, so what do you think, huh? Some great constitutional silver, some good old-fashioned U.S. coin for $3.86 per ounce below spot. And there's almost 18 ounces here. So pretty cool, huh? Well, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I really do appreciate you guys watching. I know that I have a lot of constitutional silver videos just constantly repeating themselves. But I do like to show you guys what I'm getting, and I hope you can appreciate it with me and enjoy the sound of the coins banging together and the beauty of these old U.S. coins. So if you're not a subscriber, why don't you go ahead and do that now? Why don't you go ahead and ring that bell at the button too by pushing it. And also, check out these 2 videos that just popped up. Some other great constitutional silver content out there. And also, if you click on my YouTube page, you'll find some other really cool stuff that I've put videos on. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.